In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the crypto leverage trading platform Phemex. When you use my referral code, you will receive a bonus just for signing up. The first thing you want to do is open up the description of any of my Phemex videos and click on this right down here, the referral link in the description. Just fill out your email, password, and make sure that this invitation code is entered in here so that way you can make sure you qualify for the bonus once you register your account. Phemex will send a verification code to your email. You will copy that code and paste it in to register and create your account. Now that you've used my referral link to create an account, you can click on the bonuses so you can see the different rewards for signing up. Make sure you deposit and then start trading in order to earn them. To deposit funds into your Phemex account, click on deposit. If you're transferring crypto, it's going to be on-chain deposit. And then from here, you can pick what coin you want to deposit and on what network. If it was Bitcoin, it'd be the Bitcoin network. And you would just use this address here to copy and then paste it into the exchange that you're taking it from. If you're doing USDC, you could do that, or USDT here, you could do that. And then you would select what network you want to do it on. Make sure that it's the same network on the account that you're sending your crypto from. You can send it directly to your contract account. The reason it's called a contract account is because contracts are actually what you're trading when you're leverage trading. They're perpetual contracts, which means that it's not spot, which is the actual crypto itself. This is just a contract that represents the leverage portion of it. So it doesn't really matter which one you send it to because you can easily transfer it back and forth between the two wallets instantly and there's no fee for that. But if you're doing leverage trading, contract is what it'll go directly to. Once your transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your Phemex account balance. It usually doesn't take more than several minutes, but it doesn't happen instantly. It depends on what network you use and what you're transferring. You can then click on your wallet to see your assets. To get to the trading terminal in Phemex, you come up here for contracts. If you want leverage trading, you'll click on USDT in perpetual, or if you're doing spot trading, you'll click here for spot trading. For leverage, we're going to be doing this. This is what the trading terminal looks like. I suggest you read their instructions as they go through all of them for you and basically show you how to use it. I'm just going to give you the brief overview. This is Bitcoin. You can see it up here. If you want to change something, you can click on it and then select what you want to trade. We're going to keep it on Bitcoin. This is the last price of Bitcoin. If you just want to do a market order, you'll click market. For the size of position, I'd like to have it on USDT because that tells me the amount in dollars relative to how much we have available to trade. So for example, if I want to trade $10, I would just put 10 USDT in there. And then as a market order, if I hit open long, it will go long, meaning I'm betting on the price to go up. I'll be buying $10 worth of Bitcoin. So you don't have to do the math. If you wanted to do a percentage of your total bankroll, you see here, that would be sliding this to tell you how much. I'd much rather just type it in here. There will be a different video that explains the nuances of all of the features here. However, a couple of the things that you should make sure you're doing is turn isolation on. You don't want to have it on cross. The other way you can do is you click on here and you can turn it to isolation here. For leverage, if you're new, I would start small, maybe just 2 or 3x in either direction to get a feel for it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as follow me on all my social media accounts at Cassius Cuvée to get the latest tips and strategy on how to make money trading crypto.